my father, he'll never see his name in lights. Worked hard at desk his whole damn life. Didn't chase his dreams, gave himself so me and my sisters would be alright. Sometimes I wonder, they'll say of me when I am gone, when my daughter's living on it. Will she carry strange? Thought that I was famous, but just that I was never home. Is it the things you've done, the places that you've been, chasing down some dream you've been imagining? Or is it making peace with who you are and where you stand? I'm trying to find what makes a man. Oh, oh, what makes a man? If I'm honest, I'm plagued by the fear that I'm not enough. Yeah. So I work hard to measure up. I've run 1,000,000 miles, climbed a mountain high, felt the same when I was done. Is it things you've done, the places that you've been, chasing down some dream you've been imagining? Or is it making peace with who you are and where you stand? Oh, I'm trying to find what makes a man. Is it power? Is it fame? Is it money? Is it just a game? Is it always wanting more? Or is it in finding peace in what you had all along? Is it things you've done, places that you've been, chasing down some dream you've been imagining? Or is it making peace with who you are and where you stand? I'm trying to find what makes a man. I've been trying to find what makes a man. I've been trying to find what makes a man. I've been trying to find what makes a man.